Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually set a home page for your website. So let's go ahead and open our WordPress dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, just like so, and from here we will start using this dashboard. So first of all, go to pages, all pages, and now let's add a page which will be called home. So let's add the home page, home, and click on publish, just like so. Okay guys, all right, right after we end this, we go back into our website. We click on visit site from here, and we click on customize, and from here we can click on homepage settings and a static page. From here you can select what page you like it to be your homepage. So we check this homepage, and just like that, here is the homepage is made as our homepage. Of course, you add, like, you can add other options to your homepage by adding, like, you can customize it, not keep it like that, by using a lot of stuff. For example, there is this Elementor plugin that we have already talked about in the last episode, which is it with Elementor like that. You can wait a little bit, and right after it will open this section for you. You can add a lot of stuff like sections, you can add images, you can add a lot of containers like buttons. Click here, you can edit it. As you can see, let me show you everything in this plugin. So it has the heading, image, video, a divider, forms. If you want to add forms, for example, here it is, create form, and you can create it by using another plugin or which is called WP form. Let's go here, you can add whatever template you'd like, and etc. There is also if we come here, there is this section which is the pro section. If you wanted to add this section, you have to pay for Pro Elementor. There is a lot of sections that you will need them if you want to go really crazy with your website. So make sure guys that you will check them out and get your Elementor Pro later on. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.